I may have to go back and get a second brood box for this one, depending on how big, or how, see, they look like it's piled up in there, but let's see. What is that? Get off there, bug. Ooh, he's squished. Nasty. Bug. Get that off. Oh, it looks, it's getting good and packed in there, but oh, look at that stuck to the top. I set it on top because I forgot to put it back in the other one. Nothing on this one or this one yet. No queen. I'll set that one down right here. Slide them. So that's 3 frames not drawn yet. 4 frames, so these are not ready yet. Definitely not ready yet. See what they're doing in here. Oh, they got lots of nectar and pollen on that one. These next 4 frames should be, whoopsie. See, every time I come in here, I get one of them. Sorry, bee. Accident. At least it won't the queen. Positive thoughts. Definitely. Queen. Oh, I didn't kill her on the last one. Very good. Oh, she's got good larvae in there. I don't see any capped ones yet, so I'm probably gonna put her back because if there's none on this one, there's probably no capped ones yet. Now I want to put them back real easy. She's always like on the bottom or on an edge. I'm gonna put her back before she gets somewhere where I might smush her. So let's get them back together. Don't get out of the way before you get smushed. I'm trying to help you. Get out the way. Are you getting smushed? You need to move. Move yourself. There. Alright. I'll put the other one back in. That's all I needed to see on this one. I don't want to mess with them too much. We still have one, two, 3, 4, 5, 6 frames that still is not ready. It's not drawn out yet. So slide it on before they start to all come up top. Make it even. You know what I forgot again? I do it every time. Every time my beetle box. I don't know why I can't remember this thing. Here we go. That makes it, that gives it a gap. I don't want that there. Because that is going to make a gap for bugs to get in. That, I don't know why that does that. I might have to try a different one. You, sir, in my face. Go. See, they come after the carbon dioxide, your breath. That's why when you're messing with bees, a lot of times just a hat and netting is good. You see how he's right at my face? They go after carbon dioxide. See how long this lasts them. I'm not gonna put this one back on. I guess I wonder what it's like if I do, because the ants were on that other one. I almost think the box fits better without it. Because that's leaving a gap, and I don't like that. I wonder if I can fit that on. I can't really lift it now, can I? I don't want to do that because I'll tip it, but we'll see. I might bring those back in here. They're good for now. Let's see if they start breaking it, hopefully. So is this part off right here? Oh, y'all got a little bit left in there. I guess I could leave it until y'all are finished with it. Oh man, who'd I smush? I heard somebody crunching. Maybe none of y'all was crunching. Get out the way. Somebody gonna get crunched. Who is that? Look at his proboscis, is what it's called. It's a tongue. See the tongue licking up the sugar? You see their little tongue?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you'll get down in there. Get down in there. Alright, there. I'm just going to leave it there until they completely suck it dry. Because they making me spend some money on some sugar. They going to take every drop of it. No wasting. And that is it.